Hello and welcome to Navigating Buds. As I have already discussed about the warning signs which we should look for screen addiction in kids, today I am with you discussing how to manage that screen addiction and how to reduce the screen time in kids. So to start with, I would like to stress upon the point that manage their screen usage. What is that? How to manage the screen usage? Managing essentially means that looking into the content they are watching. We have multiple phones, multiple laptops, multiple devices at our home, but please allocate only one device which they can have access to. Next one, block all the content you feel is not good for your kid. Edit your privacy settings, lock all the other applications in the phone, and allow only what you feel is safe to watch. Next one, now that you have allowed something to watch in your screen, please do not watch any kind of screen during mealtime. It has only bad effects, not only in terms of brain development but also in terms of physical development. So first step which you should follow is stop screen during meals time. Eat with them, encourage self-feeding, sit together, but do not allow any screen. Third one, do not allow screen at least 1 to 2 hours prior bedtime. That will reduce a lot of stimulation and the problems which we find or which we are going through, that kids do not sleep easily, kids have problem in sleeping. Even some kids are, going through insomnia due to overstimulation of brain. These things will stop if you reduce the screen time or if you do not allow any screen at least 1 to 2 hours prior bedtime. Next one, what we can do is set limits. Setting limit essentially means that ideally it is 0 hours or 0 minutes till 18 months to 24 months. But if it is not practically possible for you, please allow maybe 30 minutes to 40 minutes time. That is the maximum time which should be allowed. And after that, slowly 1 hour or 1.5 hours to 2 hours maximum. So in my case, I allow Sana for 1 hour. In some days it is 1.5 hours, which is again divided into morning time and afternoon time. Next one, be the digital role model. हमने काफ़ी बार सुना होगा, I don't know if your kid is as much talkative as mine, but if I tell her something and I do not follow, I am being questioned vigorously and very rudely. So be the digital role model. अगर आप उनको बोल रहे हो कि आप नहीं देख सकते हो इस टाइम पे, तो आप भी मत देखो उस टाइम पे. जैसे कि मील टाइम पे आप, when we sit for eating, when we go for bed, please do not use any kind of gadgets or phone as much as it is possible, so that they learn from us. You know that our kids follow us blindly. So whatever you do will be followed by your kid too. Next one would be encourage good habits. Encourage good habits or alternatives. Now what are those alternatives? There can be n number of alternatives which you can provide to your kid instead of screen time. Encourage them to play games. It can be any game. Involve them in household chores. Maximum kids. मैंने तो कोई ऐसा बच्चा नहीं देखा जिसको kitchen work पसंद नहीं. Irrespective of whether he is a boy or she's a girl, I have seen that they are very interested in household chores. Involve them in cleaning, involve them in washing, involve them in kitchen, involve them in gardening, involve them in whatever you are doing other than obviously your work. So there can be many alternatives. Encourage them for crafting activities, encourage them for drawing, encourage them to dance, encourage them to sing, encourage them to listen to music. So there can be many alternatives which you can keep on talking about. Encourage those good habits in them so that they leave the screen time and do something fruitful. Let them get bored. Again, I am stressing, I have already written about how getting bored is fruitful to them. So let them get bored. When they say, Mama kya karu, Papa kya kare, kuch nahi karna hai. Fine, Mama, get bored. See how nice you feel. Think about stuffs. Think about your cousins. Think about your friends. And see what you can do. Find out what you can do. Let them get bored. I repeat. So finally, after saying all the points, I know you must be thinking, it is very easy to say, but how to get it done? ऑब्वियसली जब आप ये इनकलकेट करना चाहोगे, यू विल सी रेजिस्टेंस, यू कैन सी वायलेंट रेजिस्टेंस, यू कैन सी थिंग्स के ठीक है मैं नहीं खाऊंगा अगर स्क्रीन नहीं दिया, मैं नहीं सोऊंगा अगर स्क्रीन नहीं दिया, एंड देयर कैन बी मेनी अदर थिंग्स. But be sure, be empathetic, do not scold. Sit with them, tell them, I know you are finding it hard. Say, I understand how bad you are feeling. You have been watching this for so many days. But see, Mama, this is what will happen because, it is not at all healthy to watch. I cannot allow you to eat many number of junk foods. I cannot allow you to have this junk food to your brain. This is a junk food to your brain. How you eat healthy food during the day and only once or twice I allow you to have junk. Similarly, for your brain, this is a major junk which you should not have in at least more amount. So we have to limit the time. That is how I have told. You can opt for your own system or your own thoughts, and slowly they will get used to it. First, they will show restrictions, they will show protests, but you have to stick to it. You have to stick to your own set rules for their own good, for your child's good, and all. Sit with them, say, I understand how bad you are feeling.